Let's try practicing it in the knowledge test. So what will be the output of the following program? If I run this command, python add.py, so add.py is this file name, and I'm passing 2 arguments. What do you think will be an output? Okay, think about it again. Yep. Okay. What? Error? Hmm?
It'll just be the string 1013 because you didn't convert it to an integer or float.
Yep. Got that? So when we perform a plus operator in between 2 strings, what happens? These strings are concatenated together, joined together, right? So even if I'm passing 10, it will be treated as a string. Okay, this is what I just mentioned, that command line arguments, even though if I'm using an input function or the command line, or it's a general rule of thumb, any input provided to the program is treated as a string. So here it will return 10, 13. Because 10 is a string, 13 is a string, when we perform plus between 2 strings, they are just joined together. The same thing, the first output would be same. When I run this again, what do you think will be an output for line number 4? Here it is 23. Okay, because I'm now converting this input into an integer first, also integer first, and then performing an operation, the addition operation. So this value is now converted into integer. It's numerical 10, this is numerical 13, and 10 plus 13 is 23. Okay, so pay attention to these small details in your exam, because you might miss this in INT or no INT or float, and you will lose 6 points. What about this? This should be easy. Here RGB 0. Go one by one. Are you guys planning to appear in exam 3 or what? What is ARGV0? Excuse me. It's the file name. It's always the file name. Always remember this. The 0th element of ARGV would always be the file name. So which should be program.py, right? What about ARGV2 and 4? And what? Yeah. So ARGV2 is 10 space 10 because it is enclosed in quotes, and the 4th index element is 2022. Starting from the file name, this is 0th element, this is first, this entire thing is 2nd element, fall is 3rd, and this is the 4th index element, 2022. Okay?